The desire to be free is there. But also, our life is ingrained in the false, in the belief. So that contradicts the desire for freedom. So the fantasy for freedom stays as a fantasy. But we can change that, and we can make the freedom real by working consciously, by investigating why we latch onto certain belief. Investigation must be there. So before I give you how to dismantle the false reality, let me tell you how you latch onto certain belief in you. Here's the thing. Life is happening. Life is experiential. All experience is in the world. We are going through the experience, and every experience leaves this idea in us. And this idea represents fun or struggle or fear. And no human being want to have fear in their life. Nobody wants to go through the struggle. That's the truth. Everybody wants happiness, fun, pleasure, joy. So that's the calling, including the freedom, right? So the world gives us the experience. The experience comes in a duality, positive and negative. And we associate it with the positive experience. And the reference is there in our head. And we align with that positive reference. We put ourselves back in the world to create further positive experience. And we are able to create a positive experience by being part of the world. Now, when we repeat, we are able to create an experience